Hi, welcome to Adventures and Things. I'm Michael Wright, and today I am hiking around Cedar Hill Golf Course to see if the GoPro Max and the Hero 7 make good hiking / vlogging cameras. So let's go check this out. Yeah, my head.
Walking and talking, hiker that sings. I'm Michael Wright. This is Adventures and Things.
So I just want to clarify, I am walking a trail around the golf course. I'm not actually walking from like hole to hole on the golf course like a crazy person. So this is by no means an extensive review of the GoPro Max. This is just me testing to see if it's a good action cam to take out hiking with me. So the first test that I want to do is the microphone test. The one thing that I found with the GoPro Hero 7 is the microphone wasn't that great. They're okay, but the microphones on this are supposed to be really good. So this right now is currently in Hero mode, not 360 mode. So I'll test the microphone right now, see what it's like, and we'll go to the Hero 7 to see what that's like. And this is the Hero 7 black microphone. I don't know what the difference is going to be, if there is going to be much of one, but this is what it sounds like. So my idea with this is just to lighten my load when doing adventures and things and still see if I can get some cool and good shots. So let's go see if we can get some cool shots with this. Another thing I wanted to check was the stabilization, because GoPro has amazing stabilization in my opinion. I don't know how stabilized this is going to be. It's just in a time-lapse kind of mode, but I just want to walk and see how stable the footage is coming out of this and see if it's as good as the other GoPro. definitely think it's a keeper of a camera. I'm gonna keep it. It's amazing. It gives me some good opportunities to shoot things that I'd normally not be able to shoot, like the parallax. I can shoot that by myself. The pan follow, you know, with the invisible stick there, it helps. I mean, it looks a little awkward at some points, but I think the better I get with it, the better it'll look. That big Michael Bay spin around thing will get better. I think a bit more time with the editing process, I can make that smoother, which also brings me to the other point of the editing. It is a bit tedious. You have to download all your footage onto the GoPro app, edit it, and then export it to your photos, and then from your photos to your computer. So it does take a lot of time. So I really hope you do appreciate the time and effort it took me to do this. The one thing with it is, you know, some of the things are kind of gimmicky, the hamster wheel, the tiny world thing, but they were a lot of fun to edit. They were a lot of fun to do. And, you know, I used to be so cynical and be like, oh, that's so stupid. But I think mostly it was because I was jealous. And honestly, I had a lot of fun doing that. So I'm definitely going to keep it. It's definitely going to go into my bag as a good hiking camera. It won't by any means replace my DSLR or my drone, but it'll be a good extra camera to take. And another thing I really like about it is it's GoPro, so it's durable. It has protective lenses you can put on it so you don't mark up your lenses, and right out of the box it's waterproof. However, 360 cameras don't really work underwater just because of the way the stitch lines work, but you can find out about that on other people's videos. So anyways, I hope you did enjoy this. I really hope that it was as fun to watch as it was to shoot. And if you did like it, click the me likey button. If you haven't already, subscribe. And well, see you later.